What's up, guys? This is Andy with Ultimate Device Vids, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a Cydia tweak called Seng. This is available for $2.50, and basically what this tweak is it's an Auxo 3 replacement for iOS 8.4 and 8.3. And if you know what Auxo is, it's a great tweak that combines the app switcher and the multitasking view into a single view. And it also contains some other great features as well. So if I just swipe up for the normal control center gesture, as you can see, we also get the app switcher, but again, we have control center on the top and bottom. We can swipe through here, and again, it serves as an app switcher and controls. You could also swipe down to launch applications just like this. Of course, you could also just tap on the apps to launch them. And there's also the great hot corners feature, which allows you to swipe up from the right side of the screen to close an application just like that. And if you swipe up from the left side of the screen, you get the quick switcher. This is great. It just allows you to cycle through all your applications quickly just by swiping like this, and you just release on the application you want to open, and you're there just like that. And again, all these features are originally from Auxo 3, but developer Charlie Hewitt saw the opportunity that the tweak wasn't updated for 8.4 and 8.3 and made an alternative, and it's a great alternative. It's almost identical. And if you go into settings on your device, you could open up Seng and configure various things. So we have multi-center, hot corners, other options, and support. So if we just jump into multi-center, we can enable or disable multi-center in its entirety using this enabled toggle. And by the way, multi-center is the view that combines the app switcher and the control center. As you can see right here, again, this is what multi-center is. And there's various options to configure. You can configure the control center sections, top and bottom, what shows up there. There's various icon style options, so you could change up the look of multi-center, various animation preferences, lots of stuff that you could go in and customize to your, own preferences. Same things with hot corners. As you can see here, we could swap the action of the quick switcher and the hot corners to work on different sides if you want to do that. There's also this other option that I haven't even mentioned yet. This is one of my favorites, by the way. It's the lock from home option. Basically, what this allows you to do is if you're on your home screen and you're not inside of an application, you could use the hot corners gesture, which is swipe up from right for me. And as you can see, it's going to lock your device just like that. And the animation is very smooth as well. I'll show you one more time. As you can see how it kind of fades just like that. Very, nice way to lock your device. And, it's convenient if you've just closed an application like this. You just swipe up, then you swipe again, and you're locked just like that. If we just jump back in, I want to show you one more thing, and that's the use alternate style. And basically what this is it's an alternative style for the quick switcher. With this disabled, this is what it looks like normally, the quick switcher here, as you can see how it works and how it animates. If I enable the alternate style, as you can see, things just look a little bit different, as you can see, with the icon and the card. Again, it's just up to you which one you like. I personally like alternate style, so I'm going to keep this on for now. And then there's some other options out here, which are just some miscellaneous options that don't really fit into these two categories. Then, of course, you could select support and email the developer if you're having issues or you want support. Now, there's also this little heart button that allows you to give the developer some publicity and tweet out they're using the tweak, and of course, give him a mention on Twitter. With that being said, that's pretty much all for this tweak. Again, this is basically an identical copy of Auxo 3 for iOS 8.4. I'm definitely going to be keeping this on my device. I've explored some other alternatives, for example, Tage, but I'm probably going to be using this on my device because I just like the way that it looks a little bit more. It's a little bit more reminiscent of Auxo 3, but again, that's nothing against Tage. Again, these are completely separate tweaks, and again, in my opinion, this one just resembles Auxo 3 a little more, so I do like it better. And with that being said, that's pretty much all for this tweak. I really do like it. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Peace.